Hello dear viewers, today I want to show you the easiest way to make money online in the year 2024, and I've put them in a list here, but I will explain. So um, the first way in my list is freelancing. So you can do freelancing and get money, a lot of money online. For instance, let me show you. I've been a freelancer on Fiverr, and you can see here I have earned $164 to date. I have earned $164 working on Fiverr, and let me show you. I do some house plans here in Fiverr where I have clients. So you can see I have my clients here. I will show you some of my gigs. So you can see I do structural engineering. I charge 200,000, uh, 200 $200 per work. I do architectural plan. I charge $70 per plan. So this is how I make money online in a very easy way and a very legit way. So the second way will be selling products or services via blogs, Facebook accounts, Facebook pages, or even YouTube. So you can sell products via this online platform through a platform like Seller. So I will show you. For instance, myself, I am a YouTuber, as you can see, and I sell some of my products online. So if I can show you my YouTube, and I will show you a few of my videos where I sell a few products and I have made some sales. So let me show you. So for instance, in one of my videos, let me show you in maybe say this video here. You can see I sell these are some of my products which I'll sell on Seller, and all my clients need to do is to come to my description and click this link. So when they click that link, it takes them, show them my products. You can see I'm selling this design spreadsheet at Kenya shillings 550. And guess what? If I have like 10 customers in a day, you see, I will be making free money online in the easiest way, seated on my chair without a hassle. So that's the second way you can make money online. So you just need to go to Seller and open an account where you can sell now your online products. So you just need to go to Seller. You need to go to seller.co and open your account there. So you can see I just need to log in to my seller because this one I've been logged out, so I need to log in, and so I just need to come here and click login. All right, so I will need my email. So let me see if um, so I don't want to show you my password, so I will not log in now, but this is a very easy way where you can sell your products online and make money. So the other way to make money online will be participating in online surveys. You can participate in online surveys where you'll be given something for participating. You can do affiliating marketing, and you can create content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, and keep in mind that success often requires time, effort, and consistency. So if you create your content, good content, you have a lot of views, you can monetize your channel. All you need is to reach 1,000 subscribers and to attain that hit of 4,000 view time hours, and you will have the chance to monetize your money, where you'll be earning through advertisements and such stuff, and also you'll be earning through the view time, the number of views. Okay, so guys, these are the easiest way. I know for sure you will make money online. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you just need to go is to click all you need to go is you need to do is to go to my YouTube, and then just subscribe. There's an option here where you can subscribe. So me, I've already subscribed myself. So please, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the thumb up, and thanks.